gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Take one of the 1000 limited edition Hasselblad XRD 100C Earth Explorers cameras and compress it down into a smartphone. That's essentially what the OPPO Find X9 Ultra feels like. The version I have here is called Earth Source, and it carries that signature Hasselblad-inspired brown finish.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The look is clearly influenced by Nordic coastal landscapes, with textures that resemble tree bark, a full Hasselblad logo, and those iconic orange accents, including the shutter button and ring. The design stays very true to its inspiration, and honestly, it's hard to miss that camera DNA. And here's where it gets even interesting. The phone already leans heavily into that Hasselblad identity, but once you attach the optional lens extender kit, it takes things to another level. With the full Earth Explorer's accessory set, the whole Nordic aesthetic becomes even more pronounced. Now, I personally like the bark-style texture because it really enhances that camera-like feel, but I can see how it might not appeal to everyone. If that's not your style, there are two other options: Polar Glacier and Ronsard Canyon, both also inspired by natural landscapes. So which one would you pick? Now let's zoom in on the details. At the base, you've got that signature orange ring from Hasselblad. Just above it sits a CNC-crafted gear-style element that mimics a lens focus ring. And above that, you'll find the 4 symmetrical lenses of the Master GN setup. But since this device is being marketed as a pocket Hasselblad, looks alone aren't enough. It needs serious camera hardware to back it up. This system features 5 cameras in total. Alongside the main sensor and dual telephoto lenses, there's a 10x optical zoom telephoto lens that reportedly captures 3 times more light than competing setups. Next to those sits a new generation SLR-style environmental lens, which should significantly improve color accuracy. And then there's a 6th edition, the Hasselblad Ultra Professional Teleconverter. Putting performance aside for a second, this thing is huge, definitely deserving of the Ultra name. But let's be real, high-quality optics still follow the laws of physics, which is why top-tier camera lenses come with such a premium price tag. The teleconverter kit itself has also been refined. It now features an integrated grip and protective case, making it slimmer and lighter than previous versions. The strap comes with 3D embroidery, and of course, the Hasselblad branding stands out clearly. Shifting to the front, even though everything isn't fully revealed yet, the new system introduces a refreshed lock screen experience. You get 4-way swipe controls: swipe up to expand, down to collapse, and left or right to switch between panels. It feels cleaner, more intuitive, and there's even a mirrored view for quickly checking things like navigation or music. Overall, the interaction feels smooth and well thought out. As for the front panel's final finish, that's still being kept under wraps for now. So that's your first look at the design direction of the Find X9 Ultra. What do you think so far? We'll get the full picture at the official launch event on April 21st. I'll be back with a detailed review on the same day, so stay tuned for that. Get you in the next one. Bye!